All right, round two here at the ice fishing show here. This bad boy right here. So you can double, I don't know, but you could probably, I don't know if that jacks up or not, but pretty interesting for $57,000. 570, I don't know, 57,000 looks like. Yeah, that's salesman. Nobody beats our pro special, so. Very nice. We have another smaller one. It probably has to be, I don't know. Interesting. It was a little smaller, looks like. This one is 317,000. Well, what do you guys think, huh?
It's nice.
You doing? Well, you just write the check and you can take it home. Yeah, don't worry about it. Oh wow, nice, kind of nice, man. Yeah, this is your gangster pad. You come on in here and hang out on the outskirts. What the hell, right? All right. Kind of come in here with your, could be your playhouse. Yeah, your little, is your shitter in here? Not bad. Yeah. You can go fishing in here in the whole 9 yards. It's a nice area to sleep in here. Drill your holes. Nice. But anyways, nice. Probably have a TV right here. I can just build my own. Nah, a little much. Some more over here. Ice Castle RV edition. Huh. Let's see. Nice. Oh wow, more in there, huh? That's kind of a man cave.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, I know. It's nice. It's a pretty nice bathroom here too as well. Nice shower. I don't think I'd fit up there. That's for the kids. I don't think so. Nice couch. Nice woodwork. I like this. It's nice. What do you think, huh?
Not bad.
We'll send you the bill. Build your house tomorrow. What do you think? She likes it. She's got a smile on her face.
I do. I like them all.
That's nice.
No problem.
This is the, I think it's your, a little bit of both, so nice. A gangster pad, what the hell, right? Yeah. It's not, I like the wood. They want for it right there. Oof, expensive. It's okay.
Sure step, Jeff? Is that what they call those?
Oh, look at this one right here. Oh my goodness. Nice little. Oh yeah, that comes out. It's nice. Very, very nice. Nice. I like that one. Ice Castle RV edition. Nice.
Well, I told you that.
Looks nice. I like that. That's kind of nice. Could be a little gangster in here, I'll tell you what, huh? But you better be using it. I like how you can fish right there, fish right there. This is the ultimate man cave on Lake Make Mille Lacs. Oh my goodness. Got a nice refrigerator. Those beds are pretty small. It's a pretty big head. Nice. That's for the, I could sleep down there, but I went up there. Not a chance. I'll go look at this one before they're looking at that one over there. This one is Mille Lacs Vacation right here. 38,000. Very nice. I could sleep on that, Bear, but I don't know about up here. I'd kill myself. I like the wood. Looks more. These look a lot more solid than an RV. But I like that. You can. Those are holes you can fish out of. Very, very nice. Very cool. Oh my goodness. The same kind of one, same thing. So, we don't need to go in there. We'll move on to something more substantial. So, oh, we got something over here too. Going to here. Yeti. Nice. Oh yeah, this is a little bit bigger bed. So this is kind of a, sitting here, sit down and fish, and got a TV over there or something like that. What the hell, right? I'll take it, I'll take it, I'll take it. Nice, comfortable. I like the wood. Oh. I like that. It's nice. Sweet. More fishing. Mm-hmm. Oh, my goodness. So you could double those as RVs, I think. That's a big one. Oh, my goodness. This is a big one.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness. Yeti. It's a big head. Nice shower. 80 grand, I know, but I do like the wood on some of these. These are built better than RVs. Trust me. Much better than RVs. How about the RV show? Let's say you're older, somebody had stairs in them. I don't get that. Stairs in some of these RVs, really? This is actually built solid. What do you guys think?
Very nice.
A nice TV for you. You can watch the Vikings, whatever you want to watch.
Well, you could put it on right now.
Yeah.
I've seen enough propaganda. This is sweet though.
So what is this? This comes down?
Yeah. I'm sure.
Wow. Nice. Nice.
There's here. What's up?
Oh, I see.
Oh, here. Yeah.
Oh, wow. So it comes down.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Look at that. Crush your buddy there.
Sweet, man.
Nice. That comes all the way down to there. Nice. He knows what he's doing. Thank you very much.
Not really.
All right.
You pay for these things.
Oh, yeah. Come on out real quick. You'll be okay. So that was kind of cool. I like how that bed came down. That was cool. Those are Yetis. There's another one over here. Go over here to the other side. That was cool how that bed came down. Got a couple over here. Gotta go over the other side. Who's over here? Oh no! Yep, here's one right in here. Kind of nice. Another one. This is a more open one. Probably put your own couch or your own bed or whatever you want. And more fishing. It's nice. I like it. More of a casual one. More open. You can put a TV up into here. Went $38,000 for it. Four-star P. So it looks like these are a little more. So you jack it up, I guess, then it goes up. So it varies. So you can kind of tell how they are. Create your own legend. So into here. Look at that. It's kind of cool. So you kind of look with the other one, same kind of thing. I think you got your own thing over here, and this comes down. You see, and then told you before that goes on, and it comes down. So, kind of cool. Went $48,000 for this rig. Whatever, 52 grand, probably all said and done. Bells and whistles on it. It's not a nice big one. You're okay. Nice big ones, and this one's kind of big. We got another. That big John. These are built better than some of the RVs. These they are.
I would agree with you.
I was at the RV show, so yeah, I was at the RV show for my channel, just cheap looking.
Some of them are pretty.
Some of them, all of them, all of them are. They're cheap. Look,
Yeah. Until you get into the high-end class.
yeah, but still, you shouldn't have to pay that much. It should be quality from. I don't care what it is.
Yeah.
Shouldn't leak. Big TV right over here. I like these seats. So that comes down up there, looks like. Sitting and play some cards, drinking some gangster juice. You can go fishing here. A little under 44 grand, whatever it would be. That's your everything else. So yeah. Yeti. I like it. So round 2 in the books. Let's move on to some more substantial, shall we?